Hello everyone. In this video, we'll discuss how you can open case with Amazon Spot. First of all, you need to log into the Amazon account and then you need to go into the top right corner and then click on Get Help and Resources. And then here you have some common issues that you can figure out which issue you are facing. If your inventory is closing the appearance, you can click this. And if your listing is not viable, inactive or block listing, you can click on this. And if you wanted to update a brand, you can click on this issue like you, and then Amazon will ask you for the information information. Then Amazon will ask you to provide the brand name you want to update, and same way once you've done that, you can click on create a new issue, and then you can move forward to the next issue. If you are facing issue while adding a product 5461 5665 8572 8541, you can choose this one. If you wanted to update title, bullet point, description, you can choose this, and then like you can select for the title, description, what you want to update. If I want to update a title, I will click on title, and then I will enter it, and then Amazon will ask me to provide a new title information that you want to update. So I will enter that. So if in case if your issue is not listed here, you can click on that. My issue is not is listed here, and whichever issue you are facing, you can write over here as well. Like let's say if you are facing an issue with Amazon has met issues, you can write your Amazon case complete update regarding the case here. uh, so like you can write I am you can take help from chat GPT as well to write a case for your okay. So you can ask him, write me case message to contact Amazon support to fix my like my listing issue. Okay, so let's see. So I will. So this will be like okay. So there it has written right at that, and you can further remodify it if you need to make any changes in that case. You see, but I think this is completely fine, and that's how you can take help quickly from this. And make sure you add the ASIN as well for which you are facing the issues. And what step you have taken, I have already uh, tried to fix myself, and then include any relevant examples. Like if you have any screenshot you want to add to show the issues, you can add here. It's an optional, and then you can click on continue. Then based upon your message, Amazon can ask you further information. Okay, Amazon can suggest you the description as well. Okay, Amazon is testing you that you can enter ASIN here. Okay, so this is we did not edit the ASIN here. So but we will go with the original text, and we will go with continue. Okay, troubleshoot why listing is inactive. Or do you have an ASIN because Amazon need ASIN and SKU before from you to complete the case, and so I can provide Amazon an case ASIN. Okay, let's say I am providing this ASIN. So Amazon, sometime Amazon will tell you even before contacting with the support, they will tell you what issue is going on with this ASIN. So Amazon says that your listing is active and viable. If you still wanted to contact an associate, Amazon wanted to connect Amazon support agent, you can click on contact an associate. Okay, what's your issue is related, product or listing related. If you choose these a relevant category, it will help you to contact with the right person. So contact an associate. You need to provide an SKU here. So let's say I provide this SKU. Amazon also can provide Okay, they will contact me now with further. So you have an option to do live chat. If you would like to do live chat, you can click on the live chat and Amazon will start it will start a live chat. If you would like a contact with Amazon store on the phone, you can enter your number here and then click on call me now. Amazon will call you and you can communicate. And if you want to send them just email, you can use that. Okay, so it's up to you whichever way you want to use. So I recommend to contact Amazon Spot always with a chat. That is more helpful because you can directly track with the right person and they can transfer your case as well. That's how you can communicate with for your any issue with Amazon. To open any case, you can use this method. Let me know if you face any issue while opening cases. Thank you.